I'm Liz Lunbeck, Director of Graduate Studies in History of Science, and I'd like to say a few words here about the department and what it has to offer graduate students and aspiring scholars. History of Science at Harvard is a dynamic, interdisciplinary intellectual community made up of around 20 distinguished faculty members and a lively cohort of about 50 graduate students. Ours is a diverse and capacious discipline, and the methodological approaches and research interests of our faculty and students reflect this. We take a big tent approach to the field, embracing a variety of approaches to examine the sciences and social sciences, technology and medicine in their social and cultural context, including, importantly, science and technology studies, as well as technical analyses, filmmaking, material culture, book history, economic history, participant observation, and museology. Our faculty and students engage with scholars and departments across the university, which is itself a remarkable institution rich with intellectual resources. Anthropology, sociology, history, literature, science and technology studies, media studies, African and African American studies, women and gender studies, law, the Kennedy School and the schools of public health and of medicine, as well as the full range of the sciences and applied sciences. The department is also home to its collection of historical scientific instruments, a research and teaching center that mounts exhibitions open to all and offers students hands-on opportunities to gain experience in museum studies. So why study at Harvard? First, I'll mention the faculty, superb scholars, active and distinguished leaders in the field, who have not only published landmark field-defining books on an incredible diversity of topics, but who are also deeply and passionately committed to training and supporting students, nurturing and sustaining intellectual projects and ambitions. We encourage our students to ask big, challenging questions about scientific knowledge, medical practices, and the development of technology, while at the same time helping them address their questions in manageable and productive ways. Second, our students come from all sorts of intellectual backgrounds. Some have studied history of science as undergrads, and others have concentrated on anthropology or in physics or mathematics, and still others have practiced law or taught or worked in publishing or in the world of finance. Drawn from diverse socioeconomic and racial ethnic backgrounds, and from anywhere from the small-town U.S. to the range of different countries, they come together to build a strong and supportive community of young scholars. And third, our engagement beyond the university. While all of us write for scholarly audiences, we also address our work to a larger public interested in such issues as secrecy and national security, the environment and climate change, the tobacco industry, healthcare around the globe, the science of race and racial classification, and using digital technologies and film to present research findings to a public searching for answers to the difficult questions facing us today. All of this makes for a rich, exciting, and satisfying experience for us and for our students. If, as you are considering graduate study, you find this appealing, please do consider applying to the department and even joining us in this project.